all of us as leaders will eventually be asked to account. And those of us in the executive will account for our vision. How many roads we built, how many homes we've connected to water, how many homes we've connected to electricity, how many people we've put on National Hospital Insurance Fund, and many of the things that are required of us. The rest of the institutions must be held to account as well. How have they secured and protected public resources? Institutions charged with investigations, how have they done their job? How the institutions charged with prosecution, how have they done their job? How has the judiciary charged with dispensing justice, how have they done their job? And I think all of us who serve in the various arms of government in various capacities must know that we are doing this for public good and as a service, not as a right. Ensuring that the legal profession, who wield great influence, especially in our institutions of governance, in investigations, in prosecution, in the judiciary, the legal profession wield a lot of influence. Your contribution in those areas will make Agenda 2063 and the reality of a new Africa a reality if you make your contribution robustly. Mr. President, I dare say that to be able to consolidate the gains that we have made, to be able to accelerate the reality of a new Africa that is prosperous, we must consolidate our democracy. Democracy enables us to bring out the best ideas into the marketplace. It gives opportunity for competition, for competing ideas, programs, and visions, and for citizens of this continent to be able to choose the men and women with the best ideas to drive the progress and prosperity of our continent. The legal profession, I want to say, has a role to play in democratizing our continent and consolidating our gains in democracy. We are a democratic country as Kenya, and we continuously are improving on our democracy and rule of law. And sometimes it becomes heated, sometimes it becomes tough. But we all appreciate as Kenyans that democracy is not an option. It is the only option that we have. Anything else is unthinkable. Even when we disagree how much. I know, for example, we've disagreed. Sometimes we've even disagreed with the ruling of our Supreme Court as politicians. And sometimes we even said unsavory and unkind words and statements. But that is the richness of our democracy. It's not the poverty of it. The fact that the Chief Justice can take some unkind words from the Deputy President, and the Deputy President can take what he considers an unkind ruling from the Chief Justice is the essence of that democracy. And all of us must continuously remind ourselves that this is the option that we have and it must work for us. In the spirit of what the Chief Justice has told us, that where there is information and where there is debate, there are solutions. I am sure that we will have a solution, Mr. Chief Justice, because we are engaging. We are engaging, and we will finally agree that the judiciary has a significant role to play. And if there are matters that sometimes were inadvertently done, or sometimes an explanation, a clear explanation was not given, we will ensure that that debate goes on so that we can make sure that all arms of government are moving together, because without any arm of government, it's not possible to deliver to the people of Kenya. So we fully understand Your Lordship, the Chief Justice, your concerns, and those of us in the executive will engage with the legislature so that we can make sure that all of us are resourced in a manner that it will enable us to deliver on all our mandates.